As one of the most highly used rooms in your house, it's no wonder your bathroom needs cleaning so often. Whether you wipe it down weekly or do a deep clean each month, giving your bathroom a good scrub doesn't have to take all day. Here are easy ways to keep your bathroom from getting disgusting. While you're on that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ready? Let's begin with 1. Clean your toilet with vodka. Not the good stuff, of course. Instead, look to that cheap bottle of vodka that's been occupying your bar cart for far too long and use it to make your toilet shine. Pour half a cup vodka into your toilet at least once a month to help prevent rings from forming. You can even use it to disinfect your toilet seat and cover. 2. Disinfect your toilet brush holder. To prevent the buildup and recirculation of germs, try this easy way to clean your toilet brush. Pour a small amount of disinfectant into your toilet brush holder after each use. This helps disinfect your toilet brush each time you return it to its holder, no additional work necessary. 3. Clean windows and mirrors with lemon and club soda. Tap into the fruit's natural cleaning and bleaching properties to create your own fresh-smelling glass and window spray. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice to a spray bottle of club soda or distilled water, or try one of our homemade natural glass cleaners. 4. Shine faucets with baby oil. If your chrome faucet or sink handles are looking dull, turn to baby oil. Use a few drops of baby oil on a microfiber cloth to buff them back to their original shine. Make sure to add this to your weekly cleaning checklist to keep fingerprints, water spots, and smudges at bay. 5. Unclog your drains with vinegar and bicarb. You'll come to realize that there's little that can't be resolved in the bathroom with white vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. To unblock your drains, pour a cup of bicarbonate of soda down your drain. Wait 2 or 3 minutes, then follow it with a cup of white vinegar. After an hour or so, pour very hot water down the drain, and this should clear out any unwelcome clogs of hair or gunk. 6. Use a broom to clean your bathtub. Give your knees and back a break with this clever bathtub cleaning hack. Instead of getting down on your hands and knees to scrub your bathtub, try using a broom with soft bristles. Squirt some washing up liquid into your bathtub, get your broom slightly wet, and then scrub away any soap scum and mildew. Rinse it all away and admire your cleaning bathtub. 7. Keep bath toys clean. As cute as bath toys are, they can easily become magnets for mold if not taken care of properly. At the end of each bath, squeeze any water out of the toys and allow them to dry. If, while you're squeezing, you notice black mold comes out, dispose of the toy and replace it with another. 8. Don't let the trash can get smelly. No matter how frequently you empty your bathroom trash cans, they can quickly get smelly. With each trash removal day, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda in the bottom of the can to neutralize odors. 9. Don't forget the fan. If you hardly use your bathroom fan, you probably forget it's there, and it's collecting dust. If your vacuum can extend to reach your bathroom ceiling, great. Use it to remove the dust. If not, consider using canned air or another form of duster to do the trick. No matter what you do, be sure to do it before you clean your floors. 10. Clean marble stains with bleach. Before you go dumping bleach on your stained marble heap this morning, try a small section first. Marble can be a tough surface to clean, but if you test beforehand in a non-visible spot and no discoloration occurs, you should be set. If your marble proves to respond well, soak a paper towel in bleach and place it on the stain. Cover the paper towel with a cup and let it rest overnight. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post quality content daily. See you tomorrow and stay curious.